I don't know why this burrito is hitting. Leroy is so excited. Grandpa's here. Yo, I have so much stuff. I'm gonna try to organize the chaos a little bit. I mean, actually, no, I can't. I didn't get tape and stuff. Although it is going on 10. I think Target's probably still open. Hi! Anyway, I'm about to eat this burrito and stop walking around in circles. Good morning. We are at Target trying to get those snacks. I had to get hair clips because I packed everything.
And I had to get hair jelly.
Show them what we picked out.
Okay, well, this is...
Can't
I usually use, what's the other one?
Shea Moisture.
Shea Moisture, which is like a souffle. Now, this is a custard, so, you know, we're going to have edible hair.
Should we see if it smells good first before you buy it?
You're going to open up something and put it back.
Oh, no, but we're trying to get his curls to be popping. So.
Yeah, well, let's see, my hair. Okay.
Look at this.
It's gotten really curly. I haven't cut it since Kayla cut hers, so.
November.
Yeah, so we'll find out whose hair is longer.
Girl.
And curls. Okay.
So today's moving day. We were just getting some, like, I don't know. Are we getting snacks for the road trip or just for today?
A few snacks because I'm doing keto, so it's hard to.
Well, we have to start over. We had Chipotle. Well, he had the cauliflower rice.
Yeah, that's right.
And animal crackers on keto.
Well, and the chips, okay. But I hadn't had anything all day, nothing. So yeah. My body and having Chipotle kind of cleans out your system.
It was hitting yesterday.
It's like a cleanse.
This Target doesn't have all the good stuff.
No, this one is actually really good. This one is like nice and spicy.
Back at it again, my third day. Getting more boxes, more bubble wrap, more tape, more moving supplies. I cannot wait for this to be over with today. Guys, it's 10:23. My dad and I have been up out early. Had to go back to Home Depot, which I think you guys were there. Just finished signing all the paperwork for the moving truck, which my dad, let me tell you guys, the universe is on my side today. First of all, the elevator that I need to use is down, it's broken, doesn't work. So last night I was like, oh my god, like what are we gonna do? So now we have to go to another entrance, which isn't too far away from like my side of the building, but we got perfect street parking right in front of the door. We saw this spot before we left to go to get the truck and everything. I was like, ooh, universe, please be here when we get back. Guess what? It was just in time, right in front of the door. So divine timing is here for me. I'm gonna go meet my dad right now, and I finished packing up a lot of stuff this morning, so hopefully it won't be too long to put everything into the truck. We're hoping to head out before rush hour to embark on this adventure today. So we got a big truck, everything's for sure gonna fit, saw my storage unit, all that good stuff, and I'm just really excited. Everything is just going like perfectly, perfect flow. Leroy is on his best behavior. Like, I'm just really happy to have my dad out here to help me. So let's get it moving. I know I haven't been vlogging much because I'm just trying to get this stuff done. I look like a beat up sweet potato, okay? And I'm trying to like shower and get cute after the move so that I can look decent for the rest of these videos. So forget my appearance, but I gotta go get my dad and hurry this up. Hey. Oh, don't kick my dog. You kick my dog. This is the moving fit. Guys, my fanny pack is coming in clutch for my keys and my phone. I got the AirPod in, got the mask on. We got a lot of stuff already moved into the truck, although it doesn't look like I've done much, but we got a lot of the boxes out. Love it. Just got to do the mattress. It's like the last big thing, and then most of this stuff I think is coming with me in the Jeep. Still don't know what I'm doing with my weights. Treadmill's got to go, and then I have outdoor stuff that has got to come as well. So this is the progress. Shout out Leroy. He is so confused, but he's so calm today, baby. But I'm gonna finish bubble wrapping some things. And this is not good bubble wrap. know, guys. This is like day 3 for me of like moving, and it is gonna be so rewarding to be done with this. Woo! Good boy, Leroy. It's okay, baby. Now you never know how much stuff you have, I swear, until you have to move everything. Progress is being made. I have a lot of stuff for like the things I'm bringing to Virginia, so all this stuff needs to be moved, but I'm trying to clean up as we go because we still need to like unpack the truck and come back, pack up the Jeep. There's so much dust, oh my god, allergies. Cleaning up the apartment before we head out and turn in the keys, and shower before we actually get on the road. So there's a lot to be done, but I'm so happy. It is 1:22 and I feel like we're doing pretty good on time. Oh shoot, I gotta feed the meter in 35 minutes. Oh my god, look at my kitchen. Girl, I cannot wait to take a shower. Oh my god. Yo, I hope everything I'm taking fits in the Jeep. It might be a little tight of a squeeze. I have stuff everywhere. Look, I'm having a fresh start. I've gotten rid of a ton of stuff. A lot of this furniture is not coming with me. My makeup storage, shout out IKEA. This thing lasted me 8 years in LA. This TV stand is not coming. The shelf isn't coming. The desk and the chair are not coming. Look at this, I cleaned out my closet. That's how you know progress. It was starting to look like we weren't doing anything, but y'all hear that echo? I just have to get rid of all this stuff so I can clean everything, but all the cabinets and everything are empty. I am gonna bring my workout stuff, I guess. Snacks for the car. A lot of like unhealthy things, but I have some vegan snacks for myself. Lots of bars, protein things, like protein bars, and these little jalapeno things if I want something sweet. So I have that stuff. This is like my kitchen stuff, literally the only kitchen stuff I have. It's like my vitamins and my seasonings and some superfoods. Everything else I'll just go ahead and repurchase once I get where I need to go, but all of this needs to go in the Jeep. Like, do you guys think it's gonna fit? I have no idea. Pray for us. Pray for us. Just a lot of stuff. All these are supplements and random things. Leroy, are you ready for our road trip? I swear he has been so good throughout this entire process. I know he's like, what in the world? As soon as he saw my dad, he knew something was up. Hey baby, oh, I'm so proud of you. Oh, baby has something in his eye. I gotta go get that out. My last meal in LA. I am exhausted. I'm having I think I popped a vein in my hand because it is cramped and it's tight and it's throbbing and it hurts. So I'm gonna eat this, put everything else in the car, shower, get some gas, take Leroy out, and then I'm saying goodbye to LA. I don't know how I feel. I honestly just am sleep deprived, so I'll be happy when I go to bed. But we're gonna head out to our first destination tonight. Hopefully we can get out of here within 2 hours, and I'm gonna edit the last vlog that you guys saw in the car. And I don't even know what time it is. 5 something. So say goodbye to this apartment, you guys. We went to Carlos Jr., so I'm just gonna finish my food. Leroy's still confused. It is hitting. So if you guys want to know where we end up, first, our first destination, subscribe. Make sure you guys have your post notification bell on so you get notified every time a video post. Follow me on Instagram for live updates. I know these videos are a little bit delayed. So if you want real live updates on where we are, what we're eating, what places we're stopping by, what I think about the places, do I recommend them, find that on Instagram. I've been slacking on posting, I've been slacking on vlogging. I keep forgetting I have a job to do. I'm trying my best, you guys. I'm trying. So, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye! Sad and I'm emotional.
I know.